Okay, so this is just a quick unboxing. This is a sample palette. We are trying out a vendor. Okay. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. As you can see, there are no parabens, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no triclosan, no sodium lauryl sulfates, and no gluten. So it is a vegan product. Oh, okay, and it comes inside of a sleeve. That's nice. Okay, now this is just a blank palette because it's a sample. Oh, she's cute. Look at that. Okay. Has a little mirror. It's a nice mirror. Wow. Okay. That's nice. I like that. She's cute. She's a cute girl. Okay. Let's see. I guess I'll do a couple of arm swatches right here. Oh. Okay. I'll rub my finger. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. A little bit there. Yeah. Okay, that's kind of light as I expected. Okay. Let's try this purple. See what Miss Thing is talking about. Yeah, it's not bad. Out of the pan. Yeah, I'll see. Okay. And then I really wanted to get like a really pigmented black. So I'm praying that this is what I'm looking for. Because if it is, then I believe we have found ourselves a vendor. Our eyeshadow palette. Okay. Now this blue. So really curious about this blue color. And I will do some looks with these too. That's just straight out of the palette, swatching with my finger. That's no primer, no concealer. Excuse me, my allergies are real bad this time of year. But yeah, wow, that's it's pretty great. That's exciting. All right. Well, I am very excited about this. And it got here fast. I just ordered it last week and it just got here today. And it came straight from overseas. So, real excited about that. And I'll be back with some more later. Y'all have a good one.